Hi there! Welcome to this video on the RACI framework for digital marketing. I'm excited to share with you this useful tool that can help you plan and execute a successful digital marketing strategy. So, what is the RACI framework? RACI stands for Reach, Act, Convert, and Engage. It's a framework developed by the Digital Marketing Institute to help marketers plan and execute their campaigns in a structured and effective way. Let's start by looking at the first step, Reach. This is all about getting your message out there and making sure it reaches your target audience. This can include tactics like SEO, social media marketing, and paid advertising. The goal is to get as many people as possible to see your message and become aware of your brand. Next, we have Act. This step is all about getting people to take action. It could be signing up for a newsletter, downloading a white paper, or making a purchase. The key here is to make it easy for people to take the desired action by providing clear calls to action and making sure the user experience is smooth and seamless. The third step is Convert. This is where all the hard work from the first two steps pays off. The goal here is to turn those actions into conversions, whether that's a sale, a lead, or some other desired outcome. This can include tactics like retargeting, email marketing, and landing page optimization. Finally, we have Engage. This step is all about building a relationship with your customers and keeping them coming back for more. This can include tactics like social media engagement, content marketing, and customer loyalty programs. The goal is to turn one-time customers into loyal brand advocates. So that's the RACI framework in a nutshell. Now let's dive into the mistakes that marketers often make when using the RACI framework. The first mistake is not setting clear goals and objectives. Without clear goals, it's difficult to measure the effectiveness of campaigns. Another common mistake is not understanding your audience. Make sure you have a thorough understanding of your audience before you start your campaigns. Next, we have failing to measure results. It's important to measure the results of your campaigns so that you can see what's working and what's not. Thanks for watching and happy marketing!